My name is Judge Brian Chapman, and I am chair of the 18th Judicial Circuit Pro Bono Committee. Welcome to our 2020 Pro Bono Week celebration. This event is coordinated by the American Bar Association, and Pro Bono Week is intended to inspire even greater pro bono participation by lawyers throughout the nation, including here in DuPage County. Specifically, our event today is hosted by the 18th Judicial Circuit Pro Bono Committee. It's a group comprised of lawyers and judges that strive to enhance equal access to justice by encouraging and promoting pro bono work in the 18th Judicial Circuit, which in fact includes DuPage County. The committee regularly provides pro bono trainings and works with local legal aid agencies to offer several pro bono opportunities, which you will hear more about later. While pro bono service is important all the time, I think you'll agree with me, it is especially important during times like this, when people are experiencing such hardship due in large part to COVID-19. We do have some information available to you today that you will receive or can get access to from local legal aid agencies about some opportunities you can get involved with if that's something you're looking to do, and we hope it is. I do want you to know there's already a lot of great pro bono work being done here in DuPage County. Part of the purpose of this event is to celebrate that and to thank you for all the work and service you have been doing. So thank you. You truly have been an impact on those you serve. And we also want to especially recognize and look forward to recognizing our Pro Bono Service Award recipient, Patrick Edgerton, later on in the program. We also ask that you act as an ambassador for pro bono and encourage those who you work with and interact with to do pro bono work and take on some pro bono projects that you will hear about today. There are still many people in need, and we hope you will help us provide them with the much needed pro bono legal services. We are so very grateful to have Illinois Supreme Court Justice Michael Burke here to talk about the importance of pro bono work in and throughout the state of Illinois. And now I will turn it over to him.
Hi, I'm Mike Burke. I'm a justice on the Illinois Supreme Court. And for those of you who don't know me, I was a trial judge in DuPage County for 16 years before that. I wanted to take this opportunity to wish all of you a very happy Pro Bono Week. Each year during the last week of October, celebrations occur all around Illinois and in the country to showcase the incredible difference pro bono lawyers make in our justice system and to the clients that they serve. On behalf of myself and the Supreme Court, I want to thank all those attorneys who participated in pro bono work over the last year, and to encourage those who aren't yet active or those who may have a few more hours to spare to get involved. The history of pro bono work in this great nation stretches back to before the Revolutionary War. John Adams famously joined a pro bono legal team to defend British soldiers who were charged with crimes arising out of the Boston Massacre in 1770. As we all know, John Adams was not a big fan of the British Army, but he knew that every person, whether they could afford it or not, was entitled to and deserved competent legal representation. This spirit is alive and well in Illinois, where last year almost 32,000 lawyers performed over 1.9 million hours of pro bono legal services. But at the same time, that number means less than half of all attorneys registered in Illinois reported doing any pro bono work. ABA Model Rule 6.1 states that every attorney should perform at least 50 hours of pro bono work per year. Maybe you could spare a few more hours to help those in need this coming year. The second part of the Great Commandment is to love your neighbor as yourself. So many of our neighbors are struggling financially during these very difficult times. Could you imagine adding to those struggles the stress of a legal entanglement? The Illinois Supreme Court is committed to ensuring access to justice to all of our citizens. And there is no better way to provide that access than through the assistance of a skilled attorney. In 2017, the Public Interest Law Initiative, or PILI, along with the DuPage County Bar Association, launched the 18th Circuit Pro Bono Committee, which promotes pro bono activities and recruits attorneys to participate in existing programs. There are a variety of opportunities available through DuPage Legal Aid, Prairie State Legal Services, and PILI. PILI also recognizes the pro bono contributions of attorneys and legal professionals. This year's 18th Circuit Pro Bono Service Award recipient is Pat Edgerton for his dedication to helping those in need of legal assistance through the DuPage County Ask a Lawyer program. Congratulations, Pat, on this well-deserved award. And to all the fine attorneys who so graciously volunteer on behalf of our neighbors in need, thank you.
Thank you, Justice Burke, for those wonderful remarks, and thank you for your service. It is now my pleasure to introduce this year's award recipient, Patrick Edgerton. Pat Edgerton is an invaluable member of the DuPage County Ask a Lawyer program, making sure to volunteer every single month for 4 hours or more, and sometimes bringing his father along to help too. It is no exaggeration to say that this program would not be the success that it has become without Patrick and his tireless help. That help is all offered with a healthy dose of humor as well. I can say as a judge who has sat in the courtrooms on the second floor that the Ask a Lawyer program has made a huge difference in the lives of a number of litigants, self-represented litigants, and is in fact making a very real difference. And we thank you, Patrick, for that. That is one of the strong pillars of the program, which provides a stable foundation to offer not only legal aid to the poor, but also to offer hope and a path forward in situations that can feel very lonely and isolated for litigants. And these opportunities for help from lawyers not only provides resolution to the immediate issue in court, but gives them oftentimes a path forward to a better future. When Pat's not providing pro bono service, he is a partner at Edgerton and Edgerton. I now want to introduce Patrick to give him a chance to accept this award and to talk a little more about his pro bono service.
Hello, my name is Patrick Edgerton. I work with Edgerton & Edgerton, a law firm out in West Chicago, Illinois. I've recently discovered that I am the recipient of the DuPage County or 18th Judicial Circuit Pro Bono Award, which I must say I'm very humbled. I've known a lot of people in the past who have received it, and I am honored to be affiliated with such fine people. I've been asked to do a video because obviously the crazy COVID-19 crisis is about the best we can do. They asked me to talk a little bit about pro bono service, and they gave me some prompts, so good thing, because I always need the help. One, what does pro bono mean to me? Of course, it means simply helping people. I think that my favorite part of pro bono work is when you help people, you can genuinely feel the appreciation that these litigants have. And seeing them now understand the process and feel more comfortable with it, I think is one of the most important things about the practice of law, is helping people. I believe it is important to work with the population because, in all honesty, it is a privilege to be a lawyer. We are held to a higher standard, yes, but we're also given some special treatment in the sense of with our knowledge, it helps us get through the systems. It helps us to get through the processes. And in all honesty, hiring lawyers can be very expensive. And having us help them can be make them feel better and more comfortable with the system. This connection that they feel with the legal community when we help them is also a fine reflection on us. When people see lawyers volunteering their time and assisting with us, that is what brings us to a higher level of appreciation amongst the community. And so why do I think other people should be involved? Is because honestly, helping people makes us all feel better and special to the system. So thank you for this award. I'm humbled and honored. Thank you.
Pro bono opportunities are available through several organizations in the 18th Judicial Circuit, including Prairie State Legal Services, DuPage Legal Aid, DuPage County Bar Association Ask a Lawyer Desk, and PILI. Prairie State Legal Services is an organization that offers free legal services for low-income persons and those aged 60 and over who have serious civil legal problems and need legal help to solve them. Pro bono volunteers are needed for the Pandemic Eviction Project, where lawyers are needed to advise tenants and negotiate settlements with landlords by phone, the Intake Hotline, where volunteers advise clients about a variety of civil legal issues by phone, Elder Law Clinic, where Prairie State partners with Pro Bono Network to prepare powers of attorney, wills, and transfer on death instruments for seniors, and in-office volunteers who are typically welcomed in the Prairie State office to handle cases for a set number of hours per week. Note this opportunity is not currently being offered due to the pandemic. If you are interested in volunteering, please contact Managing Attorney Marissa Wiesman. DuPage Legal Aid advocates for legal rights and continuing a tradition of service in DuPage County. Lawyers are needed to help domestic violence victims with orders of protection and restraining orders, single parents with parentage cases, individuals with divorce cases, establish proper care for the differently abled or elderly in guardianship cases, complete a family in an adoption case, a person affected by a catastrophic medical debt with a bankruptcy case, give someone a new beginning in an expungement case, or serve as a guardian ad litem to a child or alleged disabled adult. For more information or to volunteer, please contact Executive Director Cecilia Najera. The DuPage County Bar Association Ask a Lawyer Desk offers assistance to pro se litigants in small claims, landlord-tenant, and arbitration cases. The help desk is held the fourth Thursday of every month in room 2017 of the DuPage County Courthouse from 1 o'clock to 4:30. Volunteer attorneys are needed during shifts, and an experienced mentor will be there to help volunteers with clients. If you would like to volunteer, please contact the Ask a Lawyer mentor, David Clark. Several opportunities are also available through the Public Interest Law Initiative, or PILI. PILI is a member of the Illinois Armed Forces Legal Aid Network, or ILAFLAN. ILAFLAN provides civil legal services across Illinois to veterans, active duty military, and their spouses and dependents, and as an ILAFLAN member, PILI refers pro bono matters in the 18th Judicial Circuit. PILI is also the state administrator of the Illinois Free Legal Answers website. Free Legal Answers is a virtual legal clinic where low-income Illinois residents can submit a question online to ask a lawyer for help with a civil legal issue. This is a great opportunity to do pro bono remotely. To learn more about these opportunities, please contact Managing Attorney Jessica Schneider.
Thank you again to all of our speakers, including Justice Burke, for joining us today. Also, congratulations to Patrick Edgerton, and thank you again, Patrick, for your service this year. And thank you to all those who are watching and who have given your time to help someone in need through pro bono service. We hope you were reminded today about all the different pro bono opportunities available in the 18th Circuit, and that you will share these opportunities with your network and encourage others to get involved as well. We hope to see you again next year. Happy Pro Bono Week.